JHang, a city in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan, is a place of hidden beauty and rich history. Nestled along the banks of the Chenab River, this city is often overlooked by travelers who are drawn to the more famous destinations in Pakistan. Yet, those who venture into JHang are rewarded with a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and historical significance that is hard to find elsewhere. Tucked away from the bustling metropolises, JHang offers a glimpse into the true soul of rural Punjab. The landscape here is a patchwork of lush green fields, winding rivers, and quaint villages that seem to have been untouched by the passage of time. The air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the sounds of chirping birds, creating a serene atmosphere that is perfect for those looking to escape the chaos of city life. The city's roots run deep, steeped in tales of ancient civilizations and Sufi mystics. JHang has been a center of spiritual and cultural activity for centuries, attracting scholars, poets, and travelers from all over the region. The ancient ruins scattered throughout the city are a testament to its rich history, each one telling a story of a bygone era. From the remnants of old forts to the intricately carved tombs of Sufi saints, JHang is a treasure trove of historical landmarks waiting to be explored. JHang's history whispers through its ancient landmarks and resonates in the heart of its people. The traditional architecture of the old buildings, with their ornate facades and intricate designs, reflects the city's glorious past. Walking through the narrow streets of JHang, one can't help but feel a sense of connection to the generations that have lived and thrived here. The locals, with their warm hospitality and deep-rooted traditions, are the living embodiment of JHang's rich cultural heritage. It's a city where the past and present intertwine, creating a tapestry of tradition and progress. Modern buildings stand side by side with ancient structures, symbolizing the harmonious coexistence of old and new. This blend of eras is evident in every aspect of life in JHang, from the bustling markets where traditional crafts are sold alongside modern goods, to the festivals that celebrate both ancient customs and contemporary culture. JHang is more than just a city, it's an experience. It's a place where every corner has a story to tell and every street is a journey into the past. The vibrant markets, filled with the colors and sounds of daily life, offer a glimpse into the everyday experiences of the people who call this city home. From the aroma of freshly cooked street food to the lively banter of shopkeepers, the markets of JHang are a sensory delight that captures the essence of the city. It's a journey into the heart of Punjab's cultural and natural heritage. The festivals and celebrations in JHang are a testament to the city's vibrant cultural life. Traditional Punjabi dances, music, and rituals are an integral part of these events, bringing the community together in a joyous celebration of their shared heritage. These festivals are not just a spectacle for visitors, but a living tradition that has been passed down through generations. Its fertile lands, fed by the mighty Chenab River, have earned it the title of the Land of Five Rivers. Agriculture is the lifeblood of JHang, with vast fields of wheat, sugarcane, and rice stretching as far as the eye can see. The farmers of JHang, with their deep knowledge of the land and its rhythms, have cultivated these fields for centuries, ensuring that the city remains a vital part of Punjab's agricultural heartland. JHang's true magic, however, lies in its ability to transport you back in time. Walking through its ancient streets, one can almost hear the echoes of the past, the whispers of history that linger in the air. The historic buildings, with their weathered walls and timeless beauty, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, each one a chapter in the story of JHang. It's a place where the rhythm of life moves at a slower, more deliberate pace. The tranquil village life, with its simple pleasures and unhurried routines, offers a stark contrast to the fast-paced world outside. Here, time seems to stand still, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the peaceful surroundings and experience the true essence of rural Punjab. JHang is not a place that shouts its beauty from the rooftops. Its charm is subtle, revealing itself slowly to those who take the time to truly explore its depths. The serene countryside, with its rolling hills and meandering rivers, offers a tranquil retreat for those seeking solace and inspiration. The beauty of JHang lies in its simplicity, in the quiet moments of reflection and the gentle embrace of nature. Its charm is subtle, revealing itself slowly to those who take the time to truly explore its depths. The hidden pathways and secluded spots in JHang are perfect for those who love to wander off the beaten path. These hidden gems, often overlooked by the casual traveler, offer a sense of discovery and adventure that is truly unique. Whether it's a quiet corner of a village or a forgotten ruin, JHang is full of surprises waiting to be uncovered. In the heart of Pakistan's agricultural heartland, JHang is a testament to the enduring spirit of rural Punjab. The farmers, with their unwavering dedication and hard work, are the backbone of this region. Their resilience and commitment to the land are a source of inspiration, reflecting the true spirit of JHang. This city, with its rich history, vibrant culture and natural beauty, is indeed a hidden gem of Punjab, waiting to be discovered by those who seek to experience the authentic essence of Pakistan. JHang experiences a climate typical of the Punjab region, characterized by its distinct seasons and dramatic temperature swings. This region, nestled in the heart of Pakistan, is a land of extremes where the weather can be both a blessing and a challenge. The people of JHang have adapted to these conditions over generations, developing unique ways to cope with the intense heat and the occasional cold spells. Summers in JHang are notoriously hot and dry, the sun beating down with relentless intensity. The sky remains a clear, unbroken blue for days on end, and the air is thick with the heat. The land, parched and cracked, seems to shimmer under the blazing sun. It's a time when the streets are often deserted during the peak hours of the day, as the residents seek shelter from the oppressive heat. The mercury often soars above 40 degrees Celsius, making it one of the hottest places in Pakistan. The relentless heat can be unforgiving, and it's not uncommon for heat waves to sweep through the region, making daily life a test of endurance. The local flora and fauna have adapted to these harsh conditions, with many plants developing deep root systems to access underground water sources. Life slows down during these scorching months as residents seek refuge from the sweltering heat. The rhythm of life changes, with activities shifting to the early mornings and late evenings when the temperatures are more bearable. Traditional homes, with their thick walls and shaded courtyards, provide a cool sanctuary from the outside heat. The use of fans and air coolers becomes essential, and the sound of whirring blades is a constant background noise. Winters, in stark contrast, are mild and pleasant, offering respite from the scorching summer heat. The cooler months bring a sense of relief and rejuvenation to the region. The fields, which lay dormant during the summer, burst into life with the arrival of winter. It's a time for outdoor activities, and the people of JHang make the most of the pleasant weather, engaging in picnics, sports and social gatherings. Temperatures hover around a comfortable 20 degrees Celsius during the day, creating ideal conditions for outdoor activities. The mild weather is perfect for farming, and the fields are a patchwork of green as crops grow in abundance. Children play outside, their laughter echoing through the air, while adults take leisurely walks, enjoying the crisp, cool air. The nights, however, can get quite chilly, with temperatures dropping significantly. The clear skies that bring warmth during the day also allow the heat to escape at night, leading to a sharp drop in temperature. People wrap themselves in blankets and gather around fires to stay warm. The contrast between the warm days and cold nights is a defining feature of JHang's winter. This stark contrast between seasons is a defining feature of JHang's climate. The land undergoes a dramatic transformation as it shifts from the scorching heat of summer to the mild, pleasant days of winter. Each season brings its own challenges and rewards, shaping the way of life in this unique region. The people of JHang have learned to embrace these changes, finding beauty and opportunity in the extremes. The monsoon season, from July to September, brings much-needed relief from the summer heat. The arrival of the monsoon is eagerly anticipated, as the rains bring a welcome break from the relentless sun. The first drops of rain are met with joy and celebration as the parched land begins to soak up the life-giving water. The air is filled with the fresh, earthy scent of rain, and the landscape is transformed almost overnight. The arrival of the monsoon is a joyous occasion, as the parched land comes alive with the life-giving rain. Children run outside to play in the puddles, their laughter mingling with the sound of raindrops. Farmers rejoice as their fields are rejuvenated, and the promise of a good harvest brings hope and optimism. The monsoon is a time of renewal and growth, a brief but vital period that sustains the region through the dry months. The rains transform the landscape, painting the once dry fields in vibrant shades of green. The transformation is almost magical, as the dry, dusty land is replaced by lush green fields. Plants and trees which had withered under the summer sun burst into life, their leaves glistening with raindrops. The monsoon brings a sense of renewal and vitality to JHang, a reminder of the resilience and beauty of this land of extremes. The Chenab River, one of the 5 rivers of Punjab, is the lifeline of JHang. This majestic river, with its origins in the Himalayas, travels a long and winding journey before it reaches the plains of Punjab. It is not just a geographical feature, but a vital artery that breathes life into the region. The river's name, derived from the Sanskrit words Chandra, moon, and Bhaga, goddess, reflects its ancient and revered status in local culture and mythology. This mighty river snakes its way through the heart of the region, carving out a path that has shaped the landscape over millennia. Its meandering course is a testament to the natural forces that have sculpted the land, creating fertile plains and lush valleys. The Chenab's journey is marked by its interaction with the land and the people who depend on it. As it winds through the fields, it brings with it the promise of sustenance and prosperity. Its waters are a source of life and sustenance for the people. The river provides essential resources for daily living, from drinking water to irrigation. Livestock graze along its banks, and communities draw water for their homes and fields. The Chenab's flow is a lifeline that supports the intricate web of life in the region. Without it, the vibrant ecosystems and human settlements that thrive here would struggle to survive. The Chenab holds immense cultural and economic significance, shaping the lives and livelihoods of generations. Fishermen cast their nets into its waters, relying on the river's bounty for their sustenance. Boats navigate its currents, transporting goods and people, fostering trade and connectivity. The river is a central feature in the daily lives of those who live along its banks, influencing their traditions, practices, and way of life. The river's fertile banks have been cultivated for centuries, producing a bounty of crops that feed the nation. The alluvial soil deposited by the river is rich in nutrients, making it ideal for agriculture. Farmers have harnessed the river's resources to grow a variety of crops, from wheat and rice to fruits and vegetables. The Chenab's contribution to agriculture is a cornerstone of the region's economy, ensuring food security and livelihoods for countless families. The Chenab's waters irrigate vast swathes of agricultural land, transforming the region into a breadbasket. Ingenious irrigation systems channel the river's flow to farmlands, ensuring that crops receive the water they need to thrive. This irrigation network is a marvel of human ingenuity, enabling farmers to cultivate their fields even in times of scarce rainfall. The river's role in agriculture is a testament to its importance in sustaining the region's economy and food supply. Farmers rely on the river's annual floods to replenish the soil and ensure a bountiful harvest. These floods, while sometimes destructive, are also a natural process that revitalizes the land. The nutrient-rich silt deposited by the floodwaters enhances soil fertility, allowing crops to flourish. Farmers have learned to work with the river's rhythms, timing their planting and harvesting to coincide with its cycles. The Chenab's floods are both a challenge and a blessing, shaping the agricultural practices of the region. But the Chenab is more than just a source of water. It's a source of life, a place of recreation, and a source of inspiration. Families gather along its banks for picnics, enjoying the serene beauty of the river. Anglers cast their lines, hoping to catch fish from its abundant waters. The river is a place where people come to relax, reflect, and connect with nature. Its tranquil flow and scenic vistas provide a respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Its banks are dotted with ancient shrines and bustling villages, testament to the river's enduring influence. These cultural landmarks are a reflection of the deep spiritual and historical connections that people have with the Chenab. The river has inspired poets, artists, and musicians, becoming a symbol of beauty and resilience. The villages that line its banks are vibrant communities, each with its own unique traditions and stories, all intertwined with the river's legacy. The Chenab is the lifeblood of JHang, a constant presence that shapes the region's destiny. As the sun sets over its waters, casting a golden glow, the river stands as a symbol of continuity and change. It is a reminder of the delicate balance between nature and human endeavor, a balance that has sustained the region for generations. The Chenab's story is one of harmony and interdependence, a story that continues to unfold with each passing day. JHang is renowned for its fertile agricultural land, a testament to the life-giving waters of the Chenab River. The region is a patchwork of emerald green fields, stretching as far as the eye can see. The air is filled with the sweet scent of freshly tilled earth and the gentle rustling of crops swaying in the breeze. Wheat, cotton and sugarcane are the major crops that thrive in JHang's rich soil. These crops form the backbone of Pakistan's economy, and JHang plays a crucial role in their production. The region's farmers, with their deep connection to the land, are the unsung heroes of Pakistan's agricultural success. JHang's agricultural abundance is a sight to behold, a testament to the harmonious relationship between man and nature. It's a reminder of the simple beauty of rural life, where the rhythm of the seasons dictates the pace of life.